I've learned how to quickly create 1,000 monetizable TikToks, and today I want to teach you how to do the same in less than 10 minutes. This is especially useful if you want to monetize a TikTok channel without spending hours on a single video, especially since you need to upload at least once a day to maximize your earnings through the TikTok Creativity Program. Today we'll discuss how to bulk create TikTok videos with the help of AI, guiding you through the process of making numerous engaging videos that meet the program's requirements and have the potential for significant earnings. If you're not located in the US, don't worry, we'll share a strategy in this video that will help you get monetized. Even if you live outside the US, we'll keep things straightforward so you can jump in right away. Step 1. Choosing a niche. If you haven't done so yet, pick a niche and stick with it. I did some research and discovered that riddles and quizzes are popular on YouTube but haven't gained much traction on TikTok. This presents a great opportunity for us to stand out by creating content focused on riddles and quizzes. TikTok operates differently from other platforms, so what works elsewhere may not resonate here. The low popularity of riddles and quizzes on TikTok might be due to a lack of content or viewer preference for other video types. Understanding how TikTok's algorithm determines what content is shown to users is crucial for making riddles and quizzes successful on the platform. This understanding will help us create videos that more people are likely to see and enjoy. Step 2. Finding TikTok Creativity Program accounts. From my experience and the comments I've received, I know some of you might not be in the US, making it challenging to join the TikTok Creativity Program, which is primarily for US users. But don't worry, we found a solution. We discovered a website that allows you to create U.S.-based TikTok accounts. I tried it and it worked. I created a few accounts and something incredible happened. I gained access to the Creativity Program on those accounts, which is fantastic. To explain further, the TikTok Creativity Program offers creators a way to earn money from their videos, but it's not available everywhere, mostly limited to US residents. However, this website lets us create U.S.-based TikTok accounts, allowing us to bypass that limitation. After trying it out myself, I can confirm it works, and the best part is that once you have a U.S.-based TikTok account, you can access the Creativity Program just like anyone else. It may seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. You can use websites like the US TikTok account generator to create your U.S.-based TikTok account, and from there you'll have access to all the same features and opportunities as someone in the US. This is an excellent way to level the playing field and allow everyone to participate in the TikTok Creativity Program, regardless of their location. If you're eager to start monetizing your TikTok videos, this could be the solution you've been searching for. Step 3. Generating quiz questions. First, we need to create questions for our quiz video, and we can ask ChatGPT for assistance. Simply request, "Can you generate quiz questions for our TikTok video and format the answers in a table?" This organization will help us later on. I'll include the prompt we used for ChatGPT in the video description, so you can refer to it as well. Here's what ChatGPT provided us: exactly what we need for our quiz. Step 4. Creating a cover image. Now let's move on to the next part of our video making journey, which involves crafting the cover image for our quiz. We'll use a great tool called Leonardo AI. It's completely free and super easy to use. Here's the plan. First, decide what the first quiz in your video will focus on. Once you have that sorted, head to Leonardo AI and click the Create New Image button. Just write down the topic of your first quiz, and voila! Download the image, and you're set. This step is crucial because the cover image grabs viewers' attention and entices them to watch your video. It's akin to a book cover that needs to be intriguing. With Leonardo AI, you can quickly create eye-catching images. So take a moment to think about the topic of your quiz, then go to Leonardo AI to create your cover image. Once that's done, we can move on to the next exciting part of our video making adventure. Next step, creating the videos. Let's dive into video creation. This part is special because we'll be using a method called bulk create with Canva, which allows us to produce over 30 videos in just a few clicks. This feature is fantastic because it enables us to generate a lot of content without getting bogged down by tedious design work. Canva's bulk creation tool makes it easy to create multiple videos at once. So head over to Canva's website and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. If you want to personalize your designs for your TikTok page, you can always adjust the topics using ChatGPT. Get ready to explore all the exciting things we can do with Canva's bulk create feature. We'll upload the AI-generated image as the background and adjust the duration of the first clip to about 8 seconds for each quiz question. This is important because TikTok requires videos to be longer than 1 minute to qualify for the creativity program. The plan is to include around 8 quizzes in each video to achieve the ideal length. Now that we've established the length and background, let's prepare for creation by setting up our headers. Navigate to the Text tab on the left side and insert your first header. Then, copy and paste that header to create 5 headers on the canvas. Arrange them in a layout similar to this. I also like to label them for easier tracking, but that's optional. The text at the top will serve as the question, while the other headers will represent the answer options. Next, we'll adjust the timing of the headers. This is important because each answer choice should appear within the first 6 seconds of the video, while the last answer will display in the final 2 seconds. After making these adjustments, quickly play the video to see how it looks. Now let's add some effects to make the text pop. Click on Effects and add an outline to the question. Additionally, apply a background color to each answer choice. You can also animate the text slightly to enhance the visual appeal of the video, making it more engaging for viewers. Next, we'll incorporate a timer to maintain viewer interest. Return to the Elements tab and search for a timer. Choose any clock design that appeals to you. It doesn't have to be specific. We also need a ticking sound, but since I didn't find the ones in Canva appealing, I discovered a great ticking sound and other useful sound effects for TikTok in a Google Drive folder. Upload one of those sound effects or choose one from Canva, ensuring the timing is perfectly synchronized. I also like to add a ding sound when revealing the answer as a final touch. Before we dive into the bulk creation feature, let's add a subtle wobbling effect to the background image. Click on Animation, select the background, scroll down, and choose the wiggle animation. Reduce the intensity so it's not overwhelming. Now it's time to enter the data. Since we've organized everything into a table, we can easily copy it and return to Canva. Look for the Apps tab on the left side, click on it, and search for the bulk feature. There you'll find a great option. Click on Enter Data, manually paste your data, and then connect each text box by pressing Connect Data. Getting the right information is crucial, otherwise, your video might not turn out as expected. Ensure that all the text purple boxes are set to full width and adjust the text size to be smaller, so it doesn't appear too large. Once you've made those adjustments, you're ready to generate everything. I have a few pages, each using our pre-made format, but with different quizzes. You may need to trim them a bit and transfer the sound effects, but other than that, we're almost done. The final step is adding a voiceover to enhance the quality and depth of these accounts. You can use an AI voiceover to read the quiz questions aloud. Simply copy the questions from each quiz and go to my favorite AI voiceover site, 11 Labs. Choose a suitable voice, insert the script, generate the audio, and download it. Then upload the voiceover to Canva and ensure that the timing aligns with when each question appears. Doing this for all the quizzes will make the video more engaging. Finally, you need to share your video across all social media platforms. Let me introduce you to an amazing tool called Buffer. It's like a magic wand for content creators. With Buffer, you can schedule when your videos will be posted on all your social media accounts. You can even manage your TikTok account alongside 3 or 4 other accounts simultaneously. This is especially useful if you're creating numerous videos with AI. Using Buffer is straightforward. Just visit their website, create an account, and connect your social media profiles. Once that's set up, click on Publishing to create a post. It's as simple as filling out a form. Just enter your video title, description, and other details, then hit Schedule to make your video go live at the optimal time.
What is the capital city of France? Paris. Who wrote Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? J.K. Rowling. In which year did the Titanic sink? 1912.
I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to jump into TikTok content creation. Remember, with the right tools and strategies, there are no limits to what you can achieve. If you have any questions or want to learn more about making your videos go viral, feel free to comment below. I'll be starting a group so we can all connect and chat when needed, so don't hesitate to leave any suggestions. Thank you, and until next time.